I'm now going back to another part of El Centro. There are a lot of homeless people and people who look like they're mentally disturbed on the street. I saw like a motorbike, huge motorbike area down there. That's what I'm trying to capture now. As I walk down this other side of El Centro, see plenty of motorbikes. Holding on to my camera now. Maybe I'll run into somewhere where I can change my money. So much buying and selling going on. She's selling bananas with all that noise. It's good to be industrious. Yep, bikes and more bikes. Motorbikes, bicycles. Trash guy announcing his presence, I guess. There's so many motorbikes. Motorbike repair shops. Just like everywhere else I've been in the world, you have to be careful of motorbikes. Those on motorbikes, they'll snatch your camera, snatch your phone, and run off with it. Wow, look at it. It's all motorbikes area here. Motorbikes everywhere. Motorbikes for kids, motorbikes for adults. Just motorbikes and bicycles. for more than 2 blocks. It's just bicycles and motorbikes. Lordy, so many bikes here. I still can't find where to change money.
Al potasio, al banano, señores, 2.000 bananos, señores, 2.000. Al potasio, al banano, señores, 2.000 bananos, señores, 2.000. Al potasio, al banano, señores, 2.000 bananos, señores, 2.000. Al potasio, al banano, señores, 2.000 bananos, señores, 2.000. Al potasio, al banano, señores, 2.000 bananos.
I wonder how many of those bananas is going to sell before they go bad. Yikes, look at bikes. Bikes galore. Excuse me? El Centro? Gracias. Oh, look at that guy. Yeah. Oh well, it's official. Can't find where I'm going to change money, but I did see all of the bike places. They do like their bikes here. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like, and you can leave a comment too. I'm going to end the market. I'm going to end the video here rather, and probably head for the market, the farm produce market. Over and out.